kanila naman, hindi naman daw nila pinipili.
Oh, if we are responsible enough, I tell you, Congressman Zarate, you are also a parent. If you are a responsible parent, alam mo, umiiyak yung mother. Oh, hindi ka ba naawa sa mother? Tinulungan mo na sana, hinatid mo yung bata doon sa mother. Oh, anong klaseng parent ka? Nakita mong grabing hirap ng parent. Tapos ikaw andyan, pinapa-preskon mo pa. Sa loob pa ng Congress, pinapreskon mo yung isang bata na as far as the parent is concerned, is missing dahil hindi niya nakikita. Ngayon, andyan sa harapan mo, kung ikaw isang responsableng Congressman.